What makes Huntley Meadows Park so special is this very large wetland. It's the largest freshwater wetland in Fairfax County, and this boardwalk makes it accessible. One of the things that we're most excited about regarding this new boardwalk is that it's made from almost 1 million recycled milk jugs. So this is the most environmentally friendly plastic lumber available on the market. It's called high-density polyethylene. This material, because it is the most eco-friendly and doesn't leach any toxic chemicals into the water, it's going to be what the Park Authority tries to use whenever we are working closely with water. This project was a real challenge because the wetland is almost half a mile from the parking lot. So it was over 1,000 truck trips to get all the new lumber out here. It took over 1 million screws to hold all this down, and it took 2 months to do this. So the process of removing the old boardwalk and putting in the new one was quite an adventure. This boardwalk was funded from the 2008 park bond. It cost about $600,000. And we really appreciate Fairfax County residents being generous enough to vote yes on that and to allow this very special facility to continue to provide close encounters of the wildlife kind, as we call it.